Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing a phone unboxing from an eBay seller I bought these phones from. I went ahead and cut the shipping label off for obvious reasons. If I remember right, this lot was 31 bucks. I think it was $31, something like that. There's like 39 phones. Alright, so first one is a, never heard of it. Let's see if we can take a look at the model number. It's a BM170. Some kind of Android looking phone maybe. Here is a Samsung X427M. We're going, there you go. Maybe that works a little bit better. Here is a Motorola XT603. I have two of these. I cracked one by accident, but I still have the rest of it, so hopefully this one becomes good parts for it. Here's a phone I was really interested in. It's the Casio, I think it's the Brigade, maybe? There you go. It's kind of like their version of the LG Envy in a way. Pretty thick though, so pretty durable it looks like. Here is a Motorola W370. It looks like it's a track phone, so it doesn't have a SIM card either, so it's probably no good. But good parts. Here's an LG VX8360. Looks to be in decent shape. We have a LG VX5300. Some of these have batteries and some don't. They're all untested though. So here is a Huawei. It's a Metro PCS 4G device. It looks like. So I think Metro is owned by T-Mobile if I remember right. It's a model Y301A2. LG Cosmos something if I remember right. LG VN251S. I have one of those, I'm pretty sure. I also have one of these, the U520. U540. You see it's got some kind of sticker in there and apparently a phone number on the back. Samsung Convoy, I think it's a 3, so there's the model number U680. I think it's the Samsung Convoy 3. Keypad actually looks, it's got the steel plastic on it. The one I have I think is really bad shape, I think, if I remember right. Here's a LG, or not LG, a Casio Ravine. I've done multiple tests on these I think before. I've been looking for another one to do a water test, so hopefully this one works. It's a C781. It does have a cracked screen though, as you can see, and these are glass right here. Looks like it's got something on the side. There's also another one. It's cracked as well. And another one with the charging port cover. So this is probably the one I'm going to do the water test, but probably not. Bet you it still works. I bet you all three of those still work. Here is a Cricket ZTE A310. I don't really have a lot of ZTE devices, so it's kind of cool. Really wanted this one, LG Chocolate 1. I don't have a Chocolate 1, I have a Chocolate 2 and 3. So it's the LG MX850. Definitely not a Verizon device though. You see it's in Spanish in the back. That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, power buttons over here. BlackBerry Bold. Let's see, I like my BlackBerry devices. They're pretty cool. So 9650. I have the 9630, I think. I think this one's different than the one I have. There's that one. Samsung Intensity. I think it's just the one. So the U340, 450. Get my model numbers wrong. I have two of these. They're both unbranded though. They're like a generic one. So here's the actual Verizon one. LG Ravine, if I remember right. The VN170. Here's a Nokia. Looks to be in really poor shape. It is the RM455. No, there it is. I'm thinking of the type. Model 6351B. BlackBerry Curve. I think I have one of these. This is the BlackBerry 8530. I like the back cover on this. This is kind of broken though. But there's that one. Metro PCS, Samsung. I like the red. That looks pretty cool. Red's not even my favorite color, and I like that. Samsung R720. Virgin Mobile Kyocera S2100. I don't think I have one of these. LG VN250. Maybe I do. I don't know. I'll have to look it up and see. Usually I look see if I have the phone, I just type in my video because I do make videos on my phone. So this is the Kyocera Lalo, if I remember right. It's got a transparent cover on it. It looks really cool. I have one of these, but mine's in red. It is the M1400, then 1400. Cheap LG track phone device, LG 320. Motorola Razr. Never have enough razors. The V3M model. So yeah, that's pretty decent shape too. I have one of these, but mine doesn't work. It's the Samsung R225M. I got mine in a eBay lot not that long ago. Here's a Nokia 2610. Doesn't have a carrier. Definitely weird looking though. I don't know. It just doesn't look right. It's got the blue Nokia text up there. Huh. Oh, there's that one. Have one of these, but my hinge on mine is actually broken. This one seems to be better. Mine's really stiff when you open it. It's a GSM phone. It's LG 410. No SIM card, so that's probably not very good, but there's one of those VN 251 SNPP. I don't know what the difference is between this one and the other one, but that's pretty weird. I have one of these in black, so a purple one's pretty cool. It's a W755. Battery may be a little bulged out, not too sure. Definitely stuck there. There it is. It's purple and chromish color. Samsung Convoy 2 if I remember right. The U660. A battery for a ZTE maybe? It looks like a ZTE, maybe a UT Starcom. Oh, ZTE right there. Here is a Kyocera. It's Kyocera. I don't know, I can't find the model number. I think it's maybe the S1310 maybe right there. It's a bar phone, looks like it'd be a CDMA device. I don't see any SIM card trays or anything like that, SIM card slots. So there's that one. Kyocera 2135, I already have one of these, so I actually have 2 of these. I drop tested one of them. This one looks to be coming apart at the bottom right there. Got a couple there left. I remember this one, we did a water test on this to try to make one of these waterproof. I definitely have a lot of these. The VX5500. These ones are pretty durable too. This one looks to be in really good shape too. AT&T, LG. Whoops, fling the battery cover over place. Let's see, LG C410. This looks familiar to one I just got, but I think it's different. It just looks the same, maybe. Another VN251 NPP. So there's that one. Here's a Sanyo SCP-6780. It's a Boost mobile device. We got 2 left. Here's a Kyocera S2300. No battery cover, no battery. It's a square looking phone. I kind of like it. It's pretty cool looking. So I got the film over the camera lens. And the last one is Samsung SGH A697 AT&T device. No back cover. It's not a slide or anything. It's just a bar phone. I think it's a Starburst. I can't remember exactly on the nickname of some of these, but I think that's what it is. Don't quote me on that though. But let's slide all these over. Whee. A lot of them. Boom. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the update and other videos to come.